This is FreeYond M6, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So if you're struggling with properly receiving incoming phone calls, I recommend that you begin by checking if your system is in the airplane or do not disturb modes. So make sure that both airplane mode and the D&D mode, here it is, are switched off, since they do not allow the incoming phone calls to reach you at the first place. So once those features are enabled, you will not be able to receive any phone calls. If that didn't help, you might want to go into Settings, Network and Internet, then go into SIMs, select the SIM card you're having problems with, and here switch off the VoLTE option as well as disable the Wi-Fi calling. Even though those two options are designed to by using the internet connection to improve the quality of your phone calls, in certain circumstances they may interfere with your ability to receive incoming phone calls to begin with. So yeah, make sure that they are deactivated and see if it will get you anywhere. Moving on, the last advice that I have that you want to try out is to, clean your SIM card. So take it out by using the SIM tool or injection tool and wipe it with some kind of cleaning solution for electronics that is non-conductive. The most popular choice here will be the ethanol or any other form of alcohol. And if neither of the aforementioned troubleshooting methods helped, I recommend that you contact your mobile operator or your carrier, since most probably the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.